When it comes to cycling your way to fitness, the devil is in the details. Adjusting your exercise bike to match your body's unique dimensions is not just about comfort. It's about preventing injury and enhancing performance. The first step is setting the seat height. Use the top of your hip bone as a guide, or if you know your inseam measurement, that's an excellent place to start. Next, ensure your knee is properly aligned over the pedal axle. Aim for a knee flexion of 25 to 35 degrees at the bottom of the pedal stroke for optimal comfort. Handlebar height is just as crucial. If reaching for them has you locking your arms, bring them closer. Start with the handlebars at seat height and adjust for a relaxed grip and soft elbows. Remember, maintaining an upright posture with relaxed shoulders is key to a safe and effective workout. But what if you're not on the bike? There are plenty of ways to keep fit at home. Skipping rope is a classic cardio workout. Start slow and build up your pace. No rope? No problem. Mimic the motion by turning your hands as if you were holding one. Stand running is another simple yet effective exercise. Just run on the spot to get your heart pumping. For strength, push-ups are your go-to for upper body conditioning. Ensure your body forms a straight line from shoulders to toes. Side bends and leg lifts are excellent for targeting your core and building those abdominal muscles. And don't forget about ab crunches, perfect for chiseling that midsection. Remember, consistency is key, so carve out time to exercise and stay both physically and mentally fit.